My friend, I don't know why I'm making this video, but I'm just in the mood to make this video. Can you find yourself in an environment or around people that are going to the same direction with you? Do you know the most difficult thing? It is finding yourself with the right crowd or with the right people. It's the most difficult thing when you find yourself in the diaspora. I'm telling you, you just mingle with the wrong set of people and you just forget your vision and you just forget your agenda. You forget where you're going to and you're just lost in the crowd. You just try to find yourself. How? Why are you trying to find yourself? Could you separate yourself from the crowd and look for you? Look for you and stop trying to become somebody else. Looking for you could be as tidying your corner, making your corner look friendly, or making your corner motivate you, or making your corner reminds you of the things you want to be or the things you need to achieve in the near future. Have you thought about that? My friend, especially if you're a lady, could you create the world you want to live? Yeah, it's possible. Do you know that most of the things we crave for, or most of the things we want to become, or most of the things we dream we want to be are free? Do you know that if you just get your mind right and get your mind organized or get yourself organized, could lead you just a straight line or just a shortcut or just a zigzag road, could just lead you to the point you really want to be? What's the vision? Where do you want to be? Where do you want to go from here? That is the question we should be asking ourselves every day, because life is very short. Because the man you see today might not be there tomorrow. Could you just borrow pennies and borrow pennies and borrow pennies while you get to the destination in which you desire? I'm wondering every day I keep wondering, what's going on? Can I become the next Michelle Obama, or can I become Aliko Dangote, or can I become whoever I want to become? Yes, you can be the next Aliko Dangote. You can become the next Michelle Obama. You can become anything your mind wants to. It's just that you refuse to use your mind to think. You refuse. When the thoughts come, you push it around. When the thoughts come, you push it around. You push it away. Why? What's going on? Could you just get your mind right? Mingle with the right set of people. Distract yourself. Take yourself out of that circle that makes you so distracted. It's easier said than done. I know. I can relate.